Good day. So my speech entitled Powering Progress from the Ground Up. We often think of big power plants for big cities, but what about the small barangay, the coastal community or the mountain village? They need power not just for life, but for opportunity. This is where microgrids come in. Imagine a small local power system for a community, often powered by the solar energy. This isn't just about giving them electricity. It's about giving them an engine for growth. A fisher folk cooperative can power a freezer to store their catch. A weaver can use an electric loom. A sari-sari store can be a sari-sari store can become a charging station. And the old way of thinking was to wait for the big grid to arrive rather. The new way is self-reliance, a modern form of bayanihan where communities build their own future. The challenge is investment. We need to policies that make it easy for communities to own and operate their own. Microgrids. I know, operate their own microgrids rather. Let's power up small businesses across the Philippines and watch our local economies flourish. Thank you.